Are you trying to decide between Workflowy and Dynalist? You're not alone. Many people wonder which tool is better for organizing their thoughts and tasks. In this video, we'll compare Workflowy and Dynalist. Both are great for outlining and note taking, but they have some key differences. Workflowy is known for its simplicity. It has a clean design that makes it easy to start writing right away. You can create bullet points, nest them, and zoom in on details. It's perfect for users who like a minimalist approach to their notes. On the other hand, Dynalist offers more features. It allows for more complex organization. You can add tags, reminders, and even collaborate with others in real time. This makes it a strong choice for teams or anyone needing advanced tools. Now, let's look at the main differences. Workflow focuses on being straightforward and user friendly. It's ideal for personal use or simple projects. Dynalist, however, is better for those who need extra features. If you are managing multiple tasks or working with a group, Dynalist might be the way to go. When it comes to features, Workflow shines with its simplicity. You can quickly create outlines and access them from any device. Dynalist, with its rich features, offers more customization. You can create complex structures and integrate your tasks better. In terms of pricing, Workflowy has a free version with basic features. To unlock more, there's a premium option. Dynalist also offers a free plan, but you'll need a subscription for full access to all its features. So, which should you choose? If you prefer a simple, clean tool for personal use, go with Workflowy. But if you need advanced features and collaboration options, Dynalist is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.